In this session, we will study about laws of motion given by Isaac Newton. The first law of motion is every body remains in a state of rest or uniform motion unless exceeded upon by a next external force. Second law of motion: the amount of acceleration of an body is proportional to the acting force and inversely proportional to the mass of the body. Here you can see that F is equal to force and ma is equal to m is mass and a is equal to acceleration. When we applied the force, so the same force is by the same force the elephant is moving forward. Third law of motion: for every action there is an equal but opposite reaction. If an object A exerts a force on object B, then object B will exert an equal but opposite force on object A. Here you can see that the dog is moving forward and the owner is moving backward. Here the balance maintained. So the dog is moving forward, so the owner is trying to pushing the dog from backward, but the balance remains constant in this condition. The maximum force applied in the direction the next topic is application of Newton's laws of motion. Motion of an block on an horizontal smooth surface. Case 1. Horizontal pull. Here F is equal to mass, F is equal to force, is equal to m into mass and A, which is acceleration. Or if you have to find acceleration, so force upon mass is equal to acceleration. In this case, the mass is acting gravitational force towards the ground, which is mg, and the acceleration of this block is moving towards F. So the movement of this block is right side. In this case, pull acting an angle. Here we applied force on angle F. So R plus F sin theta is equal to mg. So here you can see that we applied force at angle theta, so the block will move in the direction of F. So in that case there are two components, F sin theta and F cos theta. Here you can see that the F cos theta is a moving constant, is a moving component of the block, and F sin theta will be supported as the block hanging on the ground. So the conclusion of this, the block will move in the direction of F at angle theta. Motion of bodies in contact. Here you can see that the case 1 is two body system where A is equal to F by m plus m2. Here you can see that F upon m plus m2 is used because the two blocks are participate in this topic. So you can also write as F is equal to m2f plus m1 plus m2. So here you can see that when we applied force, F is equal towards the block. So the block A, which is m1, the block B, which is m2, has a separation which is called contact force when we move block A. So block B also move with the help of contact force. So the acceleration of these two blocks will be right side. Three body system.